Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are doing another unboxing. Yes, again, look at this box. It is so cute. It says Daydreamer and it's purple and it's everything that I could ask for. I mean, it looks so cute. This is definitely going over there behind me because, I mean, how could you not? How could you not? Anyway, so when you open the box, this is what it looks like. We get a pamphlet of what we are getting this month and a little sneak peek, which is, so I'm just gonna say it, next month we are getting the Larizzi Cosmetics bronzer. It's probably a cream bronzer, so. And once you open it, it is beautifully packaged. Let me just open that up. Okay, wow, things are huge. Okay, so anyway, let's just start with the first thing that pops out onto me. It is the Just for Feet Jelly Foot Soak. It is a soothing one with lavender and lemongrass. So this is what the packaging looks like. Okay, so let me see what it says here. Okay. This is just a one-use sample. Okay. Here it says, sit back and give your feet a treat. Just as vegan-friendly, Jelly Foot Soak is specifically developed powder. Can you read? Come on, Kasha. Which turns water to gel. Yes, miracles do exist. Let the aroma of lavender and lemongrass help you to relax after a long day, while the soap gently moisturizes and soothes your tired feet. Afterwards, simply add the second step to magically turn the gel back to liquid. That's kind of cool. You put it into water, it turns into gel, and then put some more and it turns back into water. I'm actually willing to give this a try. My feet definitely need some TLC. They've been a bit tired lately, but cool, I like it. We are tea, Earl Grey black tea. So we got a tea sample. What? Oh yeah, that's an extra treat. We could have gotten this one or the Good Night one with lavender and chamomile. Cool, it's tea, so definitely gonna drink it. So also we got the Trifle Cosmetics Praline palette, whatever way you want to pronounce it. So this is what the packaging looks like. This is the inside. No, not the inside, the outside. These out, and this is what the inside looks like. I mean, these are pretty colors. They're all shimmers from what I see. But let's just give it a swatch. Nice. Okay, so like the burgundy one and the silver one, they're kind of crap. Not very much pigmentation out of it, but maybe this stain. But maybe it's gonna perform differently on the eyes. So here it says, find a palette of 6 pigmented eyeshadows in this cute pastel packaging. The intense shades range from a neutral bronze to wearable khaki and deep eggplant. Formulated to be creamy yet vivid, these unique powders have a velvety smooth texture and are 100% vegan plus free from any nasties. 4 out of the 5 shades are alright, but the 2 other shades are like meh. I'm gonna give it a try. I'll try it on my eyes because, like I said, some eyeshadows perform very well on the arms and they just don't work well on the eyes. This one is not performing as good on the arm, but we never know. It might actually be good on the eyes. So yes, I'm willing to give it a go. And the next thing is the Queshy Double Effect Makeup Remover. So what it looks like, you shake it up and then you can use it to remove makeup like mascaras and all that jazz. So here it says, cleanse your troubles away with this double effect calming makeup remover from Queshy. The clear solution is rich in soft oils and works with the blue solution to remove makeup gently. It will leave your skin feeling refreshed, so you can drift off to sleep cleansed and happy. For best results, remember to shake it before using. Of course, I mean, it has to mix. I'm actually very happy to have received something like that. Again, holidays, perfect. It's probably, yeah, 100 milliliters, so it's perfect for you know, what you call them, cabin baggages. So yes, I am gonna use it up, and I'm going to take it on holidays and see how it performs. Very, very good. And the last two things I think go together, because we have a True Soft shampoo and a True Soft conditioner from Maria Nilla. So this is what it looks like. Again, this is like perfect size for traveling. They're both, how much is in them? They're both 100 milliliters. So again, it's just perfect for traveling. I mean, did you Glossybox know that I just booked my holidays? Thank you. I'm definitely taking that. I'm not gonna read the pamphlet here because it's like long for two products, but I'm just gonna say what it says here on front. It says that these two things are 100% vegan and cruelty free. It contains softening argan oil, sulfate and paraben free, color guard complex, yes, and they are produced, oh, there's something in my eye. And they are produced in Sweden. Very good. And they probably contain some UV protection, because I don't know if you can see, but here on the side it says UV. So maybe this is amazing. Like, let me just do a touch up here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Oh, the things are huge. For me, this is a 4 out of 5 box, because this palette is a little disappointing, especially the two shades that were kind of crap. However, these stuff, like these three things, I'm definitely taking with me. And this I want to try because, like I said, my feet, they need some taking care of, and this is just perfect for it. So that is it, everyone. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And also, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.